nothing to help. Watch me move one by one.
Let's see what we can find.
Okay.
Why are you in my house?
Ma'am, I'm Tiffany from Popularity.
There's a knife in the fridge.
Wait, that's just for cutting my jelly onto Baby Bird's French toast.
That's good for you.
Baby Bird, come out here right now! There's a big mess on the dirty floor. Hey, Mommy.
What are you doing?
Did you make this mess in the kitchen?
No.
Then who did?
That was my twin cousin Rufus, Mommy.
Oh, okay. Wait, who is Rufus? Baby Bird, you do not have a twin cousin named Rufus.
Yeah, I do. Hey, Rufus, come here.
What's up, baby bird?
Hi, Rufus. Wait, what?
Oh, my dog. Hey, Rufus.
What?
Let's break everything!
Yeah!
What's going on?
I'm gonna break this house. Why is the fridge all the way over here?
What's wrong?
I don't know who this green little one is.
Well, as much as I would love to stay and look at your little circus, I actually have things I need to do, so good luck and I'll see you later. Let's get out of here. Bye.
Is this little youngster yours?
First of all, we're kids in high school. Second of all, we're dogs.
Ow! Baby, you need to clean up this mess right now and get rid of this little youngster Rufus right here.
But he's my twin cousin.
Well, I don't remember him. No, he's not your twin cousin.
Okay, Mommy, I guess I'll just get Declan on the phone and he can settle this.
Ow! Clean this up, whoever you are.
Come on, Rufus, let's fly! Rufus, let's fly into the window!
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So, I'm your neighbor and I'm gonna call the cops if you do not shut up.
And I'm gonna call the cops if you get out of my house! I'm gonna call the cops anyway. I need Officer Derek's help. Wow! Baby, stop!
Mommy?
What?
Is the sink supposed to have purple water?
No!
I think I break it!
Oh my god, this is the worst thing ever! I cannot deal with this!
So what's the issue again, my dear?
Thing!
Well, you're gonna need to be more specific.
I don't know where he came from. It's crazy, officer.
Num num num.
Hey, Beaver, stop spitting at
Why?
the snackies.
Why?
Because. Stop. Rufus, who even are you?
I pooped myself.
Please, come on, Officer Derek, and help me out.
So what's the issue?
Everything. I know this one, but this one is not mine. This is Beaver, and I don't know who this is.
What's his name? Green?
No, that's Rufus.
Well, come on! You're naming them, you're feeding them, of course they want to stay!
I did not name him. He's not mine. I don't even know where he came from.
Mommy, he came from his mom!
Obviously! Let's not go into too much details.
But yeah, you know, have
Someday,
fun!
Have fun.
Oh, baby blood!
Rufus!
Well, congratulations!
No, help me!
What do you want me to do exactly in this situation?
Help me!
Do you want me to, like, arrest him?
Why would you do that?
I don't know. You're being really mean.
I thought you loved me!
What drugs are you on?
I'm not on dirty drugs, but I don't know who this kid is.
Mommy! Rufus got his butt stuck in the vacuum cleaner!
I don't care. Wait, what?
Whoa, this is a fun game.
This is not a game!
Well, I'm an officer, but I'm pretty useless, so bye!
No, you're not useless. Where's Rufus, baby bird?
Who's Rufus?
Your quote-unquote twin cousin.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He looks like you, but he's green and cuckoo crazy.
That sucks.
Ah!
Oh, Rufus? He's stuck on the wall.
Ah! Save you.
Are you my mommy?
No! I don't know you. Hey, Rufus, do you want to go rob a bank?
That's a great idea!
That is a terrible idea!
That's it! I'm calling the police!
This is my friend, so good luck with that.
I'm trying to have dinner with my boyfriend. Come in here, babe.
Oh no, it's you!
Oh, the little chubby little hipster from the food truck.
Why are you calling me fat?
That's not calling you fat, that's you calling you cute and chubby.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You're the mommy bird, the mother of those 2 kids.
No, I only am a mother for one kid. I don't know who the green blob is, but I don't know.
Don't you have like 4 kids? Baby Pooh, Baby Bird, Baby Piglet, Moo Moo, and Froggy?
Yes we do, but just get out of my house.
But what about Rufus?
Rufus is not mine. He's the cousin for the last Pete's sake of the last time of the whatever.
Anyway, your kids are on the news like breaking stuff, so I want to let you know.
The bank! Ah! I think so.
Oh!
Officer Derek, are you okay?
Oh, I was trying to kidnap Rufus.
Why, okay. Why would you try to do that? You're an officer.
I thought you didn't like him.
I know, but you're an officer. I don't think officers are
Oh,
supposed to do
and
that.
also, Baby Bird and Rufus burned down a truck, and then they rode in the trunk.
In the trunk? In the trunk?
I'll get them.
Mommy, guess what? It was...
Oh my gosh, we ran into her classmate Declan. Do you know him?
Yes, I do. The crazy kid.
And also these kids named Jimmy, Timmy, Kaylee, Rachel, Awesome. I don't know if you know them, but we all went to McDonald's.
That's...
And Baby Bird cried because she missed you. She's a baby. And quite a loser.
She's not a baby. She's my child. I don't know who you are. Wait a
But
minute.
yeah, see you later, Baby Bird.
Wait a minute.
Well, I guess he just left.
Wait, what happened to that blue little table? Are they thieves?
Mommy, can Rufus come over tomorrow?
No!
You said I'm a bad bird.
I did not say that, you guys.
You think I'm a bad bird? I thought you
No, I don't think
adopted
you're a bad bird, but I can do breakdancing. Oh yeah, you're not a bad bird.
Yes, everything is taken care of.
Mommy! Who are you?
I'm your twin cousin, and I've come to take Baby Bird. Because I heard you don't like her.
I love her. She's amazing.
Okay, how about you keep Baby Bird if you let me adopt Rufus?
Wait, are you my sister? The adopted Rufus? Are you the mother of Rufus?
Yes.
Baby, where did you find Rufus?
Oh, he was in a trash can under a bridge.
What?
Yeah. Oh, there you are. Let's go home. Well, I was trying to adopt a Rufus, but I can have him now. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
It's been a crazy day, baby bird, but I'm glad that you're my favorite little only bird. Now let's go fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.